Hafte and welcome back to Health, Home, and Lifestyle. I'm here with Terry Uggan and Annie Umpinko from Guam Systems of Care. We're here to talk about Mental Health Awareness Month, which happens this May. So what should people know about mental health?
Well, May is the national as well as local mental health month, and it is to bring awareness to the community about the importance of mental health. No one is immune from mental health because that's part of us. That's part of our overall health, and it's about how we feel, how we think, and how we act. And if one of them is affected because of situation that we experience, usually the behavior would show that effect. So we really want to let the public know that mental health is important as part of our overall health. And knowing the situation we have on island with our high incident of suicide, also high incident of bullying in the school, we want to reach out to the community to know that there are services that could help individuals that are feeling depressed or anxious or having difficulty functioning because of their mental health condition. It's also to try to break the stigma that mental health is treatable. Since we're not immune from having mental illness, we want the public to know that it's treatable, and we want to break that stigma so people can receive the services that they need.
Definitely. There are a lot of programs here on Ireland, and there are a lot of events coming up this May in light of Mental Health Awareness Month. So, can you tell us about some of the upcoming events this May?
Sure, absolutely. We're real excited about this year. This is Ifa Mogonta's mini year, I think 13th or 14th celebration around mental health. And this is Project Carinho, which actually focuses on the children newborn to 5, our 6th year of celebrating. And so we always want to make sure that we include the community as much as possible, and that we make sure that we actually start May 1st with church services, which is going to be available at the cathedral starting at 11:30 a.m. And actually on that same day, we're also doing the New Covenant Life Church, and that's at 8:55 in the morning. This is followed up by a proclamation signing, which is going to be on May the 3rd. And at the proclamation signing, we're actually going to announce the Goodwill Ambassador Award. And so we can't give those names out yet, but if you are eager to learn, attend the proclamation signing on the 3rd. And as of right now, this event is scheduled for 11 a.m. There are other activities that are going on, such as the Mental Health Wave, which to my understanding is at the ITC building, and it's going to be on the 6th. And so we really want not just the public health team, not just the mental health team, but really the community of Guam, our senators, our mayors. We want policymakers, faith-based organizations, we want schools to really come out and celebrate this event. As Annie said, our mental health is part of our overall health. And if our mental health is not in a good place, you can be the healthiest person around exercise and good food, but our mental health is what really impacts issues around suicide, depression, and so forth. So we want families and people to really come out. We also have an open house for Ifa Mogonta. This is going to be on the 4th of May, and the time is going to be 2 p.m. 2 to 5. So this is excellent. And over at Project Carinho, we're celebrating this at Northern Public Health, which is public health located in Dedido. And this is going to be from 10 to 12 p.m. And we will have signs up showing the room. So once more, the community of Guam is welcome to come celebrate Children's Mental Health Month. And we're delighted to bring everybody on board. If people have questions, we've got good contact telephone numbers for both the programs for Project Carinho. Please give me a call, Terry Uggan, at 478-5401 or 478-5402. And over at Ifa Mogonta, we have a contact telephone number of 477-5338. That's 477-5338. And this is for Miss Annie and Pinko. For those that want to participate and support in our event, we've got Nia's contact telephone number, and that's 300-8369. That's 300-8369. So please come welcome everybody here on the island. And for those that actually are doing systems of care, even on our outer islands, if you are on island during the month of May, check in with us. Everybody's welcome.
All right, well, thank you so much. Definitely suicide, addiction, and bullying, mental health is so important because these are types of issues that affect everyone in the community, not only children, but your mental health is something you carry on until adulthood. So thanks again for joining us. Is there any final comment you'd like to make before we close out?
Just want to say that mental health really matters. So let's work together to bring a healthy community. Thank you.
And I just want to add that the foundational years, newborn to 5, in which a child's brain is developed up to 75 to 85%, this is where they learn to love, trust. This is where a lot of that foundational work takes place, and it helps people as they become adults to really handle issues around depression and suicide. So if we're thinking that early childhood doesn't matter, it really does. So thank you, Guam.
All right, well, thank you again. Stay tuned. We'll have more health, home, and lifestyle after the break.
Your community calendar is brought to you by Taco Bell. Whether it's your first meal or your fourth meal, we've got you covered. Taco Bell, live Más.